Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I am a CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. Today I am just going to teach on Revit topic, that is how to create a levels in a Revit. Okay, now let's start this one. So now here you can see the div template here. Now I'm just going to select the architectural template. If I select this on architectural template here, so we are going to make an architectural designing exterior and interior designings. We are going to make in that one. So here you can see in the project browser we are having only the floor plans, only 2 levels is there along with the front side option. So along with this one, if you want to create a more levels like more than 10 floors, 30 floors, how many floors you want, if you wanted to create. So for that one, what you can do, you can see this elevation here. So in elevation you can click any elevation from here. So suppose I'm just going to click on west elevation. Make sure that if you click the elevation, double click, we have to click there. After that, now you can see this one here, now showing the height of this level from here to that is 4000. So how much if you wanted, that much you can give a height of the elevation. Now let it be in a 4000 only. Now here level 1 and level 2 it is there. Now I wanted to create one more level for that one. What you can do here, for that one you can go to architecture. In architecture you can see this an option called datum panel. Under datum panel you can see the level. If I click on level here, now we have to enter the height of the level, that is offset we have to enter. So how much offset you wanted, that much you can enter. So that much you can enter here. I'm just going to enter here 4000. Okay, then you can take a pick lines and just pick on that above the line here. See, if you click on above the level here, now you can see the dotted line. If the dotted line is showing, then only we have to click on that. If I click the, now see here, third level will be created here. Now third level is created. Now if you wanted to rename the level here, then you can give the name of the level also. See, this level 1, I'm just going to rename this one as in ground floor. Click on this one. Now it's asking, would you like to rename this corresponding this? I'll click yes to this one. Whatever the name I'll change here, it will appear in the floor plan as well as in a ceiling plan also. Same thing for level 2 also. I'm just going to give this one as in first floor. Click and click yes to this one. Now it will show in the floor, first floor here. Now in level 3 also, I'm just going to click this one as in second floor. You can make this one as a second floor. Click, give yes. Now see, if you wanted to create one more floor here, then again you can go to architecture level. Now you can enter the height, how much height you wanted from this. Suppose see from third level I want to decrease some height for this one parapet or something here, and I'll just give the parapet height of 1.2 meter. I'll click here, pick lines you can take and you can make this one as parapet. And for this one, if you want to make this one as level 4 as in parapet level, you can make this one as parapet level. Here, click here, click done. So now see here, now whatever the levels we have given, whatever the names we have assigned, so that one is showing in the floor plan as well as in the ceiling plan. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.